Hi there. I think I just wanted to come on here and just share the last few books that I've received from the Broken Binding. I have 4 that I have yet to unwrap. It's not gonna be an unboxing because they're not in their boxes. I have, this says The Vanished Birds. I believe this was the sci-fi pick. And I haven't really taken a look. I'm sure I've seen a glimpse of it on their Instagram, but I haven't taken a look specifically at how the book looks. I don't know if it's just like the regular cover and they just changed, you know, the colorway. I don't know if the sprayed edges look like, so that would be exciting. And I've always wanted to read this book. Can I open this? I can't remember, is this how the original cover looks? They just did a different colorway. There's music notes. Ooh, sprayed edges. I love the color. The color of this is so pretty, and the naked hardback is also very nice. Oh, I like the contrasting edges. This one's like darker and like more the night sky, kind of galaxy leaning. Okay. This is by Simon Jimenez, and I've always wanted to read this. I've heard good things about this book, so just thought I would share that. Another book, I believe that one was the sci-fi subscription. I think this is the new sci-fi and fantasy one, where you don't get to know what it is before you get it. I'm not sure how I feel about that yet, but this is Unravel Reality, and my guess for this book was the new Ken Liu. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. His book. I can't remember the name of it, but it was the new one, the new release for him. Give me a sec while I try to unwrap this. Ooh, another green book. I was right, and my guess was right. I mean, if you do enough internet sleuthing, it's not hard to figure it out. But I liked to try to guess. Ooh, it came with a sticker, an extra sticker. But here is one of the, I forgot what it called, end pages. The naked hardback. Let's see the back. Ooh, I really like these edges. I'm not edges, end pages. I am such a big fan of like orange, you know? I love this colorway. I've read from this author before, so I'm excited to read this new book. Did I show you the edges? It's the edges. I really like this one. Broken Binding has me with all their subscription options because I just love the way they do their books. Okay? I love it. Next 2 are just my November and December fantasy subscription books, which came with the bookmark for November. King of the Wilds is the book. Let's get this baby out of here. This one I have seen online, and it's beautiful. So beautiful. They're just fabulous, you know. End papers. This one has, oh, I really like when they do the hardcovers like this with like full color images. Some of my favorites. The back and pages. Don't know if I'm doing a good job of showing you guys, but oh, this is like the back. The hardcover image. Ooh, I am intrigued. Last book, my December month book. The Bloody Rose. I'm guessing this is the second book in the series. I'm assuming. Ew. Nothing like a badass chick, you know? Oh, I love that. Absolutely. That is great. There's those sprayed edges. Oh, I love this. Can't remember if it's a duology. I think it is. Excited to read this one as well. I've read the synopsis for all of these books. I just don't remember them. But that's the 4 books that I've been hoarding in the corner of my room.